The key fob is a unique feature of Capstan's pinpoint spray system. It'll allow you to remotely operate individual valves on the boom or sections of valves. Today I'm going to show you how to configure your cap view to make use of the key fob feature. To initiate the key fob mode, go into your System Setup menu, scroll down to line 8, use the Enter key to activate the menu, select Key Fob Active, and hit the Enter key to accept. Notice that an alarm will signal telling you that you are now in key fob mode. Now that you have the cap view configured in key fob mode, you can take the remote to the back of the sprayer and use it to initiate individual valves or sections of valves. By pushing left and right, you can turn valves on one at a time in either direction. By pushing up and down, you can turn on sections of valves in either direction. By using the center button, you can have a master off. Now that you've tested the valves on the back of your spray rig using the key fob, go back to the cap view, enter the menu on line 8, select 12 volt active by using the Enter key, and hit the System Setup menu button to escape. Remember that if you don't move back to 12 volt active on line 8, your spray rig will not spray. And now you know how to correctly use the key fob functionality of the pinpoint spray system. Thanks for learning with us today from everyone at CapstanAG. If you have any further questions, contact your field marketer or see us online at CapstanAG.com.